In this lesson of linear equations in two variables and straight lines, we will solve question number 4th and 5th of exercise 1.3. And question number 4th, we have the slope y-intercept. So see, this is the important point. Y-intercept means we have to solve for y, form of equation of the line with the slope -6 through the points 3, -4, right? 3 represents x and this is y is, right? So it is very simple. Here again we will use the equation m is equal to y negative whatever we have here, right? So I can write down y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. So see, it says slope is -6, this m is -6, and then we have only one point. We do not have two solution sets, so we will consider y1 and x1. So y, and this is minus, and this is also minus. Minus will be +4 divided by x -3, because this is x1 and y1. We do not have x2 and y2, so we will write down y and x. Now cross multiply -6 multiply by 3, x -3 like this and this, which is equal to y plus 4. If you want, you can write down 1, but it does not make any sense, right? Because 1, it will remains the same. -6x +18, which is equal to y plus 4, right? So -6x, or I will write down like this, 4 -18, it will be -6x -y, which is equal to -14. But we have to solve this for y. So -y will remains here, and then when we will take this 6x, -6x to the other side, it will be +6x, and then is -14. Here we multiply both sides with minus, so it will be -6x plus 14, and this is the y-intercept. This is the requirement. If you will see your MCQs, so it is D. D is the answer. In your book you will find y is equal to -6x plus 14. So the y, the slope y-intercept, so you have to solve this for y. Question number 5th, the general equation of the line through the points this and this, right? We have to find out the equation of line which passes through this and this. So first of all, we have to find out the slope. First find slope. And how we will find out the slope? M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Here we have, see, both two solution sets, so we do not have slope. M will remains the same. You can consider anyone as y2 or y1. So suppose this is x1 y1 and this is x2 y2. So y2 is -5 and this is -2, and here is negative sign as well, so it will be +2 divided by -4 -1, which is equal to -3 over -5, and which is equal to 3 over 5 is the slope, because this will cancel each other. So slope is 3 over 5. Now use point slope equation. So what is the point slope equation? M equal to y minus y1 divided by x minus x1. So here we know slope. Slope is 3 over 5, and here we can use any solution set. Okay, we will use this one. So y, and this is minus, it will be +2, x -1. Now again cross multiply, which is equal to 5, y plus 2, so is equal to 3x -3, which is equal to 5y plus 2. sorry 10, 3x negative 5y, which is equal to 10 plus 3, take the transpose, it will be 3x negative 5y, which is equal to 13. And this is the answer. If you will see your MCQ's option, so this is the C option. In C option you will find out 3x minus 5y is equal to 13. This is the answer. See the general equation of the line through the points this and this. So first of all you have to find out the slope, and with the help of slope you have to use the point slope equation, which is this. Solve it, you will get the answer. Practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.